Does he have dogs or anything?
I
Don't think so?
No, he don't have a dog. He used to have a dog, but no.
Sheriff's office. Sheriff's office. Sheriff's office. Sheriff's office. Sheriff's office. Sheriff's office. Sheriff's office.
Who's there?
Sheriff's office, sir. It's Deputy Castillo.
I've got a gun, you better get the hell out of here.
Sir, are you okay? Sir, Sheriff's office. It's a sheriff. Put your gun down. It's a sheriff's office, sir. Step up, my 94. Okay, I'm staying right here. Put the gun down. 10-4, subject's armed. Hey, put your gun down. Sir, put your gun down. Sheriff's office. I'm announcing myself. He's armed with a gun.
You're out of here. Wow.
Sir, put the gun down, please. Hey, watch it when you come up the stairs. Sheriff's office, sir, put the gun down, please. Sir, I just want to make sure you're okay. Please put the gun down. Sir, please put the gun down. Sir. Sir, please put the gun down. Sir, can you please put the gun down? You're not in trouble. We just want to make sure you're okay. Sir. Sir, put the gun down, please.
I'll tell you what you do.
No. Please put the gun down, sir.
Come out in the open and sit down.
Sir, put the gun down, please.
Sit down or I'll blow you right out of
Sir, I don't want to do this. Please put the gun down. Sir, put the gun down, please. Hey, step it up. He's on the stairs with the gun. When you come up the stairs, he's going to be to your right. I'm going to be in the bedroom on the left side. Sir, put the gun down, please. Listen, sir, I just want to make sure you're okay. That is all. Your neighbor was concerned about you.
Well, we're gonna find out.
That's it, sir. Nobody's in trouble, okay? Listen, nobody's in trouble. Sir, put the gun down! Sir! Sir! Put the gun down!
You hell you at?
Sir! Shots fired. Shots fired. Subject's down.